Okay, so I would like for my dough to start proofing and rising faster. So a couple of tricks that I use. The first thing is that I like to use the residual heat from the oven. And if the oven is preheating, you need to be really careful that you don't get your bread too warm, but heat and warmth helps the dough proof faster. And so what I do is I find a spot close to the oven that isn't directly on the oven, and I want for example, I want my loaf of sandwich dough to proof faster, so I'm going to move it as close to the oven as I can without it actually being on top, and it just sort of gets that little bit of extra warmth and it helps it proof faster. That's not quite on the oven. The second thing that I like to do to help dough proof faster is dough proofs faster when it's in a moist environment. And so if you're making bread at home and it seems like the dough is getting a skin on it, it seems dry, you need to try to provide a little bit of moisture to that dough. And my favorite trick is to dampen a kitchen towel and place it over the proofing bread, and that moisture will help the dough to proof faster. So those are just a couple of tricks to help your dough proof faster.